We are in the Coconut City place, boating. Very nice place. Yeah, lots of boat. You see what kind of boat? It's like woven rattan. Oh, see, oh, this is the coconut. This is their coconut. Different. It's not our coconut in the Philippines. It's like different. We are here boating. Lots of
Oh, it's beautiful, huh? Yeah, mga beautiful.
yan, Coconut City. They call this Coconut City. Mabuhay!
Mampuhay! Philippine number one! Mama,
Oh.
Philippine number one!
Philippine number one. Yan. Yan. Ayan, Taibin Eco Tour, Dua Bay, Maui. Ayan. Ang galing naman.
Philippine number one! Hey, amigo! Hey, amigo!
Ang dami. Oh my God.
Number one!
Oh.
American number one!
Oh.
Oh, five! Tốt tấm hồn ở đây này. Đâu xa cũng đâu tốt tấm hồn ở đây cũng đâu. Tốt tấm hồn.
Too many people on boating.
Many boats.
Yeah. I'm posting this for as a regular video.